why the lava is coming out from the volcano? Because people cut trees. They cut trees and yes, because the earth is very hot now. So it's very hot outside, right?
Yes.
So don't cut trees. Don't cut trees and take good. Yeah, sit down. Okay, so girls and boys, don't cut trees and plant. She's cutting trees? Not so. Just tree maybe, but don't cut trees. Now what you have to do? Yes.
The green one.
Like the green one?
He's dead already.
Oh, the trees?
Yes, no. Like a tree, like there's some leaves, like, and there's no leaves now.
When it's dead. So plant more trees and help your mommy plant more plants.
No. Yes.
Yes, because
Because the zombies coming later, the lava.
oh yes, the lava will come out.
Broken.
The bus are broken.
Yes, so the house is broken.
Or the cars are broken. And what else are broken? Uno and Linlin, what are broken? Sit down, Winona. And what else? There's a fire station. Uno, come here, you and Linlin. Oh, see there. So we don't die. So you plant more trees and plant more plants. No, you help your mom plant more plants so that the earth will not get so hot. Now it's very hot nowadays, right? It's very hot outside, right? Yeah, we're lucky we have aircon. Right? If we don't have aircon, it would be very, very hot.
Teacher.
Sit down, I can't see you. Okay, let's eat. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.